Welcome to 2025 Tiny Home Now Motorhome, your ultimate destination for everything about living big in a small space. Whether you're a traveler, a minimalist, or someone dreaming of a home on wheels, you're in the right place. Here, we explore the freedom, the adventures, and the lifestyle of tiny home living, on the road. The camera transitions to the interior of the motorhome, showcasing its cozy yet modern design. A well-organized kitchen, a comfortable seating area, and a neatly arranged sleeping space come into view. Imagine waking up to the sound of birds chirping, stepping outside to breathtaking landscapes, and having the freedom to move wherever your heart desires. That's the magic of motorhome living, and on this channel, we bring you the best tips, tours, DIY ideas, and real-life experiences to help you embark on your own journey. Cut to a time-lapse of someone preparing breakfast inside the motorhome, demonstrating the practicality of tiny living. The camera focuses on space-saving kitchen hacks and smart storage solutions. Have you ever wondered how to make the most out of a small space? How to stay comfortable while traveling? Or how to design a motorhome that feels like home? Our videos will answer all these questions and more. From clever storage solutions to energy-efficient appliances, from budget-friendly renovation ideas to the latest technology for off-grid living, we cover it all. Switch to a couple sitting outside their motorhome, sipping coffee while enjoying a beautiful mountain view. A dog runs around happily, showcasing the pet-friendly aspect of van life. Living in a motorhome isn't just about the space, it's about the experience. It's about finding joy in simplicity, embracing adventure, and creating memories on the road. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family, we bring you real stories from people who have made the switch to mobile living and never looked back. Cut to a close-up shot of hands working on a DIY project inside the motorhome, installing solar panels, adjusting furniture, or setting up a mobile office. Want to convert your own motorhome? Looking for budget-friendly ways to upgrade your tiny space? Curious about the latest gadgets that make life on the road easier? Stay tuned as we break down every aspect of building, maintaining, and enjoying a tiny home on wheels. Drone shot of the motorhome driving along a scenic coastal road, the sun setting in the background. A soft breeze moves the trees, and the waves crash against the shore. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle. A lifestyle of freedom, minimalism, and sustainability. A lifestyle that lets you escape the ordinary and explore the extraordinary. Back to the host standing outside the motorhome, smiling at the camera. If you're ready to take a step towards a simpler, more adventurous life, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. We're here to guide, inspire, and share everything you need to know about tiny home living on wheels. The screen fades to a logo of 2025 Tiny Home Now Motorhome, followed by a call to action text, subscribe now and start your journey. End scene with music fading out.